Y'all, today we are at Black Rock Mountain State Park, and we are doing the Black Rock Lake Trail at Black Rock Mountain State Park. Say that 3 times fast. It's a 0.85 mile loop. We also have another waterfall loop we're going to mix in, and let's go hiking.
At the beginning of the trail, you'll notice I hesitate a little bit. You can go left or right, but the actual trailhead with the blue blaze is just around the corner. So we're going to start from there because we're completionists, and that's how we like to do things. Great trail, y'all. It is short, but it does pack it in with the views. After you do this trail, if you don't mind hiking about another extra half mile, there's a bonus waterfall. So stay tuned until the end to check that out.
So we got kind of a late start on a Saturday in December. I gotta say, it's pretty busy compared to what we usually hike. Oh boy, decisions. Do we go white blaze? Do we go blue blaze? Do we go white blaze? Do we go blue blaze? We're gonna follow this blue blaze, which should be the lake trail. So here we go. All right, we're starting the loop around the lake from the parking lot. Plenty of parking for everybody over there. A couple of fishing overlook docks on the lake down there. Very nice. Very wide trail. I mean, look at this. You can't beat it. Beautiful lake. Beautiful mountain view. I'm going to assume that that's over 2,000 feet over there, so we'll call that a mountain. It's just beautiful. And I gotta say, this place is pretty busy for a Saturday. We did get a late start, but Black Rock Mountain seems to be a popular state park. The water is just crystal clear. Just beautifully crystal clear. I mean, you could see for miles. It's a nice little lake. What do we think? Like 5-10 acres, something in that range? Nice. And again, just like crystal clear. Look at this wise old tree. I wonder what kind of stories it could tell. I bet it has got some stories to tell. It's 0.8 miles, so don't expect too terribly much. I mean, most people can walk a mile in 20 minutes or so. So it's about what this trail should take. Maybe a little longer if you like to do the side quests and dilly-dally, which we do. And I encourage everyone else to do. But yeah, beautiful. That's where we were just standing, way over there. And sweeping views of the entire lake. It's nice. Coming up on the biggest of all the bridges. This gotta be our 3rd bridge, 4th bridge maybe, but this one's definitely the biggest and the longest. Very cool. I'm guessing this will be one of the sources of this lake. I like it. It's wildly different than all the other trails here at Black Rock Mountain State Park. Definitely shorter, but just different, completely different. The other ones wind you more through the Black Rock Mountain. This one feels a little bit more like a alpine lake or something like that. The other trails at Black Rock Mountain are a bit harder with a little bit more elevation change. This one I would rate is very easy. The more time we spend in nature, the more we can appreciate it. So that's it. Suzume Woods approves of the Lake Loop Trail. The reason we don't like giving trails ratings is because we don't want people to think it's a competition. Each trail has something unique for that area. So we don't want people thinking like, oh, this is the best. Oh, you have to go to Patagonia. Oh, you have to go here. No. You just have to go outside. That's it. Nothing to it. All right, so let's check out some of these fishing piers here. Docks, fishing piers, not sure what you call them. Mrs. Suzume says it's a bridge, and once again, I think she's right. I think this is just a bridge. here's a fishing. I'll tell you, this reminds me a bit of Unicoi up near Helen. So it's similar to that, although we are at a higher elevation. I'm sure all the Black Rock Mountain people want me to point out that this is a higher elevation than Unicoi State Park, but it reminds me of the lake up there.
How do you do, beauties?
I do have snakes, actually, if you want some. I have to get them out of my bag.
They're like, what's your...
We're at the Turtle Rock Fishing Pier, and as you can see, it's called Turtle Rock for a reason. The facilities here, though, they are top-notch. Dock is in good condition. It's really pretty. You're not allowed to swim, even though it looks very swimming hole. It says you're not supposed to swim. I don't know if people do or not. But it's got lovely rock overhangs, so again, great places for fishing. It's just great places to chill. Sit here and relax. And just like that, we are connecting back where we started from. Like I said, easy 0.85 mile loop. Anybody could do it. Enjoy. So let's do some bonus footage here, right? We're gonna head to a waterfall trail off of this lake loop trail. All right, if you look on all trails, you'll probably have noticed that there's a waterfall off of the Edmonds Trail left fork. And that's where we're headed now for some bonus footage. Whether or not this ends up being its own video, I'm not entirely sure. I might put a screen shot of the actual trail map on the screen here to sort of show you. But Blue Blaze, right, is the lake. And the lake is back there. You see it? It's where we're just at, the creek flowing towards the lake. You want to take this white blaze, and then you want to sort of stay to your right after you take this white blaze. And hopefully, we're going to find a waterfall. Let's go. So when you're on the trail, white blaze, if you've picked up the paper map from the Georgia State Park Visitor Center at Black Rock Mountain, it shows it as orange blaze. It looks to be well marked, but I don't think it's orange blaze marked. We'll find out. But it's beautiful. I mean, look at this. This is beautiful. And here we go. We're gonna stay on the white blaze. And then literally like just feet away, white blaze. And here's where it gets interesting. We've got the orange blaze. This is a loop. If you want to just see the waterfall and not do the complete loop, head across the bridge. Here we go. I can tell you this already feels like a waterfall trail because we've already started going up, 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 and up. And if there's one thing that you'll always get with waterfall trails, elevation gain or descent. Almost always both, because you got to get there and back. Worth it though, totally worth it. Just pace yourself, take breaks. The payoff is worth it. Nice little rugged root staircase. Thank you. So if you've watched any of my other videos, one theme you might have noticed is that I talk to the animals and to the trees and to the plants and to nature. So that's the question of the day. When you go hiking, do you talk to the trees? Do you talk to the squirrels? Do you talk to all the critters that interact with you? Are you a silent hiker? Do you think talking to animals is weird? Let me know in the comments. I'm hoping that a lot of y'all talk to animals. I'm guessing you do. Mrs. Tazumi does. So yeah, let us know in the comments. Do you talk to the animals and plants when you go hiking? So this is really cool, completely different than the lake trail, which again is just right there. We are like 100 yards away from the lake trail. And this is a completely different hike, completely different world. Very cool. Well-marked trail, orange blaze with a white border. Can't miss it. Nowhere else to go either, so you're not going to wander off trail. We haven't had any side quests or extra trails. I love it. This trail's just nice and meandering. It's got some roots, but they're kind of gentle roots. They actually give you some stairs in a few places I mentioned. And here it is, y'all. I'd say over a quarter mile, but under a half a mile up the orange with white blaze. So orange blaze, white border. And you make it to this waterfall. We actually have footage of where this comes out down below on the lake, and I'll put that up on the screen here shortly. Very cool. So we basically have not had any rain since Helene. We've had a little bit of like drizzles and stuff, but we haven't had any real good rain. So it's dry. So I imagine that this is a lot higher when we've had rain, but right now it's just not a lot of rain. No big deal.
Thanks again for watching another Tazumi Woods approved hiking trail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you outside.